Hello, I thought that I would share a little bit of the work that I'm currently doing. My name is Julia Baker-Waite, and this is Julia Baker-Waite Art Studio, and I'm the Brighter Date Coach. This is part of a prophetic artwork that was given to me by the Lord. This is called a triptych because it has 3 parts. This was done on a Shibui found image art foundation. And you can see some of the still existing and not worked areas here. These came organically from how the ink or watercolor splashed onto the paper as I was creating this triptych. And I wasn't sure what it was going to be used for. And then I started to see that there was a flower in here and another here, and then these 3, and so on, until it grew into something called a Shibui found image artwork. The original Shibui found image art type of artwork was created by Pej Nunes. She's very talented and she's very unique. And I was able to study under her with this beautiful technique. And I did receive my certificate for that. It was a pleasure. And I would recommend anyone who wants to learn specifically from her to go to Pej Nunes at Anaset Studios. You can also learn it from me because I'm now certified to teach it. And you can be a beginner. This is more advanced work, but you can be a beginner and be taught from the very beginning and the very foundations. And then what happens is, as you're looking at these color splotches, without all the detail is what you add in later, you start to perceive, and this is called pareidolia, as when you look in the clouds and you see something familiar. Our mind always wants to identify, and it goes through its little files and says, oh, that looks like a dog. Oh, that looks like a flower. Oh, look, a dragon. So that's what happens with Shibui found image art. You start to see ideas, and then what you do is you start to define those, and it ends up being its own very little story. It can be a single page, as in this one, that's completely complete. I'm not doing any more work on this one. This is the first one in the triptych that I have been doing. And we will discuss this more later when I come back again and give you another peek. This is Julia Baker-Waite, at Julia Baker-Waite Art Studio. I hope you have a brighter day.